Zacks Rank Buys, stocks with a short-term buy or strong buy recommendation. Now, here are more Zacks Rank Buys. Now, we're going to talk about a couple of aggressive growth stocks, and Bill Wilton, our aggressive growth stock strategist, is here with us to do just that. The first one we're going to talk about is Universal Stainless and Alloy Products, Inc. Could they have a longer name? USAP, the ticker symbol.
Yeah, and their name's actually pretty descriptive for what they do. They make steel and alloy products for a variety of different industries. The power companies, petrochemical, aerospace and defense, and other heavy equipment makers. So one thing I like about them, it's a good play on the general economic recovery because these are the types of industries that will wait as long as they can to make some of these heavy investments as far as capital spending goes. So the fact that Universal Stainless is doing well bodes well for the overall economy. They saw their revenue almost double in the most recent quarter to just over $51 million for the period. Net income was up to $3.6 million from $1 million a year ago. So things are turning around for them very nicely right now. They also have their backlog at a 2-year high, almost at $70 million. So things are going great. They've got a great balance sheet, and they're also trading at a pretty decent valuation here. Forward PE ratio is coming in at just under 14 times, so you're not going to be overpaying for these guys. Here you can see the longer term, progress for their earnings estimate recovery. Each of these multicolored lines is 1 year's Zacks consensus estimate, so you can see it inching higher on a year-over-year basis, and then as the year goes on, analysts are getting more and more bullish, continuing to raise their estimates, as they move forward. So they've also got 5 consecutive beats, and they've only missed their earnings expectations once in the past 5 years. So a solid overall history there. On a more short-term basis, you can see that there has been a flurry of buying. This major spike that you're seeing in the middle there, that's from the earnings report that they had at the end of January. Then we saw another rush of buying a few weeks ago. So things are looking very good for them. Analysts and other investors are very bullish on them right now.
All right, and if you're keeping track of the calendar, because Bill said a few weeks ago, we're talking about this actually on the 22nd of February. All right, and then there is UTEK, Inc., UTEK, the ticker symbol, laser processing equipment maker, right? Yeah,
they make components that go into, semiconductor makers will use their lasers and other equipment.
I see.
Their top line was up 64% in their most recent quarterly report, which was also at the end of January. Their net income was up about fourfold to $6.3 million. And this is their 5th earnings surprise in the past 6 quarters. So another good, solid earnings trend that we're seeing here. Estimates are on the rise. It did slip to a Zacks number 2 since the last time I last time I wrote about it, which was last week, and this is the 22nd of February.
Right.
But that's still a Zacks rank buy, so there's no reason to steer clear of that. That can change for any number of reasons.
Okay.
The other reason I like them here is because the earnings estimates are on the rise, so is the share price. And right now we're noticing that there's a bit of a pullback. Shares have been slowing down as far as the recent trend goes, so it's a good chance to get in while there's some consolidation here. They were overbought. Now they're starting to come back down to earth, so pretty soon we should see another leg higher, though.
All right. Do you own either of these two?
I do not.
All right. Check out more Zacks Rank Buy stock pick ideas on our website. Homepage is Zacks.com. If you're not there already, we put 4 new ideas up there for you daily, one in each of the investing categories that we write about on Zacks.com, Bill's included. With Bill Wilton, I'm Terry Ruffalo.